So over here, you can see that I am logged in from 5 accounts, and then you can see that this is the host version right here, while others are the guest versions. And whenever you're hosting meeting like this, what you can do is you can actually go around and then break out rooms as well, so that you can send some members to one room and send other members to other room for different group projects. So to do that, you can go around over here onto let's say, for example, rooms right here, just like this, that is breakout rooms. And as a host, you can do this. So you can go around and then automatically divide the rooms right here, or manually choose the people that you want. So here it says choose the number of rooms that you want to create. So right now there are 5 members, so 2 is the ideal number. You can also go around and select out other numbers if there are more members. So I'm just going to go around and select manually right here. So automatic is it just will select out the members randomly and will assign them to separate rooms. But if you were to go to manually and click on create rooms right here, then the rooms will be created, as you can see. So it says we are creating your rooms. So once you do that, you can assign the participants to the separate breakout rooms right here. So let's say I want to assign, let's say TutorTube 2 to room 1 right here, and TutorTube 3 to room 1 as well, TutorTube 4 to room 2, and TutorTube 5 over here to room 2, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and click on assign. So once I do that, you can see that the participants will be assigned on to those particular rooms right here. So it says participants to assign right here. So you can go around and click on assign participants right here, and then work around with that over here as well. So you can see that these are rooms 1 and room 2 right here. So you can go around and open them. So let me just go around and click on open, and let's see what happens now. So it's opening the room, as you can see right here. And the participants will now be sent to the respective rooms. So it is loading, as you can see right here, and in a while the room will be opened and the participants will be sent on to their respective rooms. And now you can see that the rooms have been opened up right here. So this is room 1 and room 2 right here, and they are there in their respective rooms right there. So you can go around right here. You can see that they are in meeting right here. You can go around and join a particular room over here as well, and another window pops up over here. So I'm connecting, as you can see right here, and I'm out of the main meeting room right here, and it's connecting inside of room 1 right here. So just like this, as it loads, I get joined in on to another room right here. So I'm joining in into room 1, and I can meet out other participants right here, as you can see, just like this, because I'm the host right here. If I were to go around and click on leave right here, then I leave the room 1 just like that, and then I get back over here just like this. So you can go around and resume it over here just like this. And then if you want to close up the rooms, then you can go around and then click on close right here as a host just like this. And then what happens is that all of the participants, they will have to get back onto this room. They will get back onto the main room right here by default. So you can see that this is what is happening. The room is closing right here. And then everyone will join back in this room right here once the rooms are closed. And over here, you can see that they have joined in back to this room right here. So that is how you can actually go around and then use the breakout room feature inside of Microsoft Teams. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.